Hey loves, it's your girl Leek, and here is my 2025 BMW X7 that I got in 2024. It was my big girl purchase. So proud of myself. But today we're here to talk about the accessories and new features. Starting with this keychain I got off of Amazon, y'all. It has the BMW logo on it, and I love it. And I also got these new key fobs to protect our keys, one for my husband and one for myself. And loving the key fobs. They to replace the key fob, pricey. So yes, definitely needed that. And then we have these cup holders with the BMW logo. Here I'm installing it in the third row. And then we're gonna put that in the second row. Look at the bling. Love that BMW logo. And then of course in the front. There it is. Then we have a charger because we don't smoke, so we're going to use that for extra cords. And there you see, I do want y'all to see that it does not close with that. For the one I got, all of these are from Amazon, purse holders. Here's me installing it. Yeah, it works, it fits. And there's a picture of it. It does have bling on the ends of that. I did get a carpet cleaner for the screen. I just basically placed that in the middle console. And let's get to these OEM parts. So this is for your tires. I took the old ones off, they're just gray, and put them BMW ones on there. So now you see in just a moment how those look. Yep. And then I got the BMW lights that I installed as well. My husband installed. Let me correct it. That he installed. And now let's talk about the features I love and newly discovered. Okay. Starting with auto hold. So auto hold is a cool feature. I am literally stuck in traffic with my little Chewbacca, as you see, and I don't have to like keep my foot on the brake. The BMW literally holds the brake for me so I can pet my baby. The next feature is remote control. Remote control is actually pretty cool. I am controlling my BMW with my phone. I pulled it forward and now you'll see me pull it back. The only thing is I did not tell my family inside the car that I was doing this, that I was trying this feature. Here's their reaction. The gas pedal didn't move. Thank you. That's so cool. Remote control. So, just playing with my car, just found out that I have TV. Y'all, straight TV. Now I knew I had YouTube, but like I can watch. Now I can watch movies. Oh, okay, BMW. But yeah, this app right here. I guess I can go back. No? Okay, how do I go back to the main? Oh, previous. Previous. Apparently you can watch TV. Wow.
Damn.
Don't think we got just the control.
This had been the ultimate commercial break,
That's crazy.
which meant it was time to return.
That is
Regularly
crazy.
scheduled.
It picked up where we left off.
It did. So adding Disney Plus with live TV later was shocking but loving. And then we realized that they also have holiday cards for like every little holiday come up. BMW sends us like a holiday card on the actual BMW, changes the lights, does the light show and everything else. But that's pretty much it for now. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time, bye.